We listened to two boats, and that's a lot of information adding up to our knowledge. But we all still love to get insights from our Guru, Sri Bhagwe sir. Requesting Bhagwe sir on stage for his takeaways on both the boat.
नमस्कार. मला आपला फारसा वेळ राहिला नाहीये, पण मला जास्त बोलायचं पण नाही, कारण दोन हुशार व्यक्तींनी बोलल्यानंतर आपण गप्प बसलेलं चांगलं. But for me this is an emotional movement because looking at ऋषभजी and विनीतजी, they are माझ्या मुलाच्या वयाचे आहेत आणि जेव्हा माझा मुलगा बोलायला लागतो तेव्हा मी फक्त ऐकतो. कारण now experience, number of years of experience is outdated. It is the experience is per year which is important. आणि यांच्यासाठी एकदा टाळ्या होऊन जाऊ द्या, कारण amount of experience they are gaining in a very short period is remarkable. तुम्ही इतक्या जास्त गोष्टी करणार, 130 countries मध्ये प्रॉडक्ट जातोय त्यांचा. Just imagine the number of experiences he is getting per year. For Vinitji also, the 20,000 SKUs. So the experience you are getting per year per SKU is tremendous. So I just want to ask you की दोन्ही leaders मध्ये तुम्हाला commonality काय दिसली? Common काय दिसलं? Anything common other than of course they are young? Urge to grow. म्हणजे ते second generation, third generation, seventh generation असून सुद्धा they want to do something more or different than what they've been given. Okay, what else? Risk-taking ability. Okay, so they have a higher risk appetite, which comes from risk literacy, which they have got from their families. What else? Technology adaptation. ते दोघे fit आहेत किती बघितलं. And I hope you remain fit like this forever.
Thank you, sir.
I saw that their presentation skills तर सुंदर होतेच, पण त्यांचं clarity of thought at this age, their clarity of thought is fantastic, and of course they are successful because of that. So आपण आज इथे बोध घ्यायला बसलो होतो, पण त्याच्यात 4 sides आहेत. म्हणजे एक तर साईट आहे, म्हणजे what we see, that we see their success, we see how they perform, the way they talk, but a lot of insights behind that site. So that is the process which takes you to succeed. So the sights is just something which you see, but the insight is something which is the process by which you are experiencing that sight. And of course there is hindsight and there is foresight. So you also understood your hindsight, not the hindsight. That means what it takes to come to this stage. And when you have a family asset or baggage or whatever, but it takes a lot of efforts to overcome that inertia. Yeah. And then foresight, your plans for the future, and of course AI is the way to go, and the way technology is taking you, and your appetite to learn things through books and to meeting people is fantastic. So when I see the side of 11% attrition, I understand that your business is all about people, and if you cannot hold your people together, your flock together, then there are challenges. And so thus I saw the lot of things which you're doing with your people and the thoughts about those. And you said that people, I mean human as resource and human people first. So what you're trying to say, I'm trying to understand from that, is you're looking at people as not human resources, just human resources, because resources deplete. Not even human assets, because human assets also depreciate if you don't train them well and treat them well. So it's all about human possibilities. And when you're talking of people and setting clear expectations, it is about actually setting possibility expectations. What is the possibility? आपण ज्या स्टेजला आता आहोत सगळे, we didn't know की आपण या स्टेजला येऊ. So that was a possibility, and same thing is with all of our people also. So if you look at your people as possibilities rather than resources, it will be a more beneficial thing, and that's what you are actually trying to say. Vinayji, your key drivers are of course inventory and finance, and you're good at that. So we got a lot of inputs and insights from that, and I think people will take that inventory thing very seriously, because that is for manufacturing a very key thing. AI, of course, is the way forward. I'm not sure how you are handling AI at your steel plant, but definitely you might have some agenda there. You should. So automation and personalization, of course, is there. I like the way both of you put it as how do you plan your days, the weekly scheduling and the delegation sheet and the founder's office. I only hope you don't overdo things, because delegation is one thing where you leave it to people to perform and don't bring down the neck. So it shouldn't be a sort of a very constrained, restraining thing. It has to be, because once you put more controls, innovation stops. So innovation is inversely proportional to control. You need to have a right balance there. But I'm happy that the way you put it at and the working in the business versus on the business. So as entrepreneurs, we should be putting more time in working on the business, and that is how you have to migrate. So maybe today at your size, you might be working in the business for 60-70% of the time, but how do you migrate from the in the business to the on the business is something which you need to think of. And of course, it was heartening to see from young ones to come to office at 8 a.m. इनके लिए तालियां हो जाएगा. कारण आपण बँकेत काम असतं म्हणून 11 वाजता निघतो. पण ऑफिसला या नंतर जाणार बँकेत जायचं असेल तर. So I'm of course an early riser and very strict thing about timing. So it's a good thing to come from you. I'm happy that the way both of them put their thoughts forward, and we all oldies might have taken a lot of inspiration, and the young ones here also inspiration from these young ones. I'm very thankful to you to spend your time here with us and enlighten us with your thoughts and fresh thoughts. Because my son, who is at your age, he is of course an economic consultant, is a doctorate in economics, and he consults American companies and governments. But he talks like this, and when he talks, it's quite inspiring, and you feel proud of that the way people, young ones, are putting their thoughts forward. So hats off to you. Thank you very much.